Okey, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey, selamat tengah hari 12.40 tengah hari. Okey, so hari ni for financial management. Okey, now is week 6. Okay, we still in topic time value of money, but time value of money in part 2. Okay, so part 2, what we have to cover for this topic, okay, is actually for today, uh, I will cover for two subtopics, which is the first one is uneven cash flow stream, and the second one is um, a loan amortization. Right? Okay. So I will share the before that, so what we will cover, okay, what we will cover for the previous topic, um, in time value of money. Okay, time value of money. What is actually time value of money? If you still remember what is the time value of money, it simply means that dollar received today, it's worth more than a dollar received in the future. Okay, dollar received today is worth more than dollar received in future. Okay, so this is time value of money. Maksudnya adalah duit yang kita terima sekarang lebih bernilai daripada duit tu nilai yang sama. Contohnya 1 million, kalau kita nak pilih terima sekarang lebih bernilai daripada 1 million tu kita terima maybe 5 years later. Okay, so bila you want to make a decision, either you want to choose receive now or receive 5 years later. Okay, of course we will choose to receive now. Right? Okay, siapa ada bersama-sama dengan medium hari ini untuk kita sambung dua lagi part, which is the first one is uneven cash flow stream and time value of money. Boleh type dekat ruang komen. Medium nak tengok siapa yang berada dengan bersama medium ni, ada 8 mata memandang ni. 8 view, type nama. Okay, bila nak tengok, I will check the attendance juga ni. Siapa yang ada bersama-sama dengan medium? Okay. Dia 10 second lag Okay, Arba'in ada. Okay, good. Asila, Hayani. Okay, ni 3 nama terawal lah. InsyaAllah lah, Meda doakan 3 nama terawal ni dapat A+ Financial Management. Amin. Okay, so let's move to the topic, the subtopic. The first one is uneven cash flow stream. Okay. So this is the uneven cash flow stream. Okay, what is actually uneven cash flow stream? Uneven cash flow stream is in a case when the payments or receipt, okay, when the payment or receipt of cash flow are not the same each period. Okay, the keyword is cash flow are not the same each period. Tak sama. Before this, we have a same cash flow. That's we call annuity. But now, when we receive or when we pay amount, okay, but it's not same the amount. For example, for this year, we need to pay 500. Next year, we need to pay 1,000. Next 2 years, we need to pay 2,000. So different amount each year. So that's we call uneven cash flow stream. Same goes to when we receive the cash flow, we receive the different figure, the different amount of cash flow. This is we call also we call uneven cash flow stream. Okay, so how to calculate the present value and the future value for uneven cash flow stream? Okay, this is the formula. PV is the summation of cash flow of present value interest factor. Okay, sama je macam yang sebelum ni. Satu-satu we have to calculate. Dia punya maksudnya we have to treat this cash flow as a single amount, one by one, because the different amount in different period. So we cannot calculate using the annuity formula, because annuity formula only for only for even cash flow, or what we call a same cash flow every year. So bila amount tu tak sama, kita akan masuk dalam formula biasa, single amount punya formula, bukan annuity. Okay, we have to calculate one by one lah. And then we have to total up dia punya present value. Okay, that's present value lah. For future value, if you realize this, okay, we also use the single amount of future value, okay, single amount formula. But when you look at the n value, okay, n value is n minus t. Okay, how to get n minus t? Okay, n is number of period minus t current period. Okay, I will explain later. Okay, let's look at the example here. Okay, this is the example. Suppose an investment, okay, promise a cash flow, okay, 800 in year one, okay, 800 in year one, year two 500, and year three 11,800. Okay, that is uneven cash flow. Okay, tak sama. 800, 500, 11,800. This is uneven cash flow. So what we have to do is we want to calculate the present value and also the future value for this cash flow or for this investment that's given 5% interest rate. So how to calculate? Okay, how to calculate this uneven cash flow? Okay, the first one. Okay, the first one is actually this is the present value of investment. Okay, we have year one, year two, and year three. Okay, year one, year two, and year three. So this is this cash flow, 800, 500, and 11,800. So we need to treat that this cash flow as single amount. So how to treat that as single amount? So uh, we have to times with the present value interest factor in 5%. Okay, look at the table for present value interest factor 5%. So how to calculate the present value of cash flow? So we need to multiply the cash flow with the present value interest factor. Then we got this figure lah. Okay, for the first year, we have 740 ringgit 32 sen. Year 2, 453 and 50 sen. And year 3, 10,192 and 84 sen. So the total of present value for this investment is 11,400, 8,226. Okay, so this is very simple. But for the next one is future value investment. I already calculate and put the table here just now, but the table is missing now. Okay, where is the table? Okay, never mind. Okay, table dia tak ada. Okay, what we have to do is, okay, insert. Copy. Okay, that's why this is for cash flow. Okay, this is for cash flow. Now you want to calculate the okay, how to calculate. Okay, so now we want to calculate. Okay, so if you still remember, just now baru madam sebut tadi about the uneven cash flow stream. Where is the formula? Formula uneven cash flow stream. Okay, that one. Okay, we have to minus n with the t value. N with the t value. Alright, so where is the n? Okay, ini adalah n. Okay, ini adalah n. Okay, this is the n. N adalah total of number of years. So n equal to 3. T yang mana? T yang ni. Okay, T number 1, number 2 and number 3. So we have to tambah dekat satu kolom dekat sini. Okay, tambah satu kolom yang mana N minus T. So N minus T, N tolak 1, N3, N tolak 1, N tolak T. So kat sini sama dengan number 2. Okay, so 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, barulah kita tengok dekat table of future value interest factor at 5%. Okay, berapa figure untuk 5% future value interest factor kalau dia punya N sama dengan 2. Dekat sini nanti you akan dapat 0.95. Kat sini adalah 0.95. Okay, number 1. Sekejap, Media salah ni. Sabar Media salah tengok. Okay, silap. Okay. Sekejap, padam semula. 1 point. Okay, 1.1025. Okay, ini bila N sama dengan 2, N sama dengan 1. Boleh tengok dekat jadual. Sekarang you can refer on your table. Okay, 1.0500. 1.000. Okay, sekejap Okay, semua calculate dulu tolong. Okay, semua calculate 800 time dengan 1.1025. Okay, done? Okay, berapa you dapat? Okay, semua type dekat ruang chat tu. Media nak tengok berapa you dapat? Year 1 berapa? Year 2 berapa? Year 3 berapa? Okay, Madam tunggu. 800 tu 800 times 1.1025. 500 times 1.0500. 11,000 times 1. 11,800 lah. Okay. Siapa orang yang pertama? Who will be the first one giving the answer? Semua total. Semua sekali. Akmal year 1 882. Year 2, year 3 sekali. Hayani. The first one. 2525 11,800. Arba'in. Okay. Siapa lagi? Ilham. Ini sama tadi 552. Okay. Hayani dengan Arba'in. Dapat 3-3 ni. Okay, kita tengok jawab betul atau tidak. Okay. So yang pertama ni adalah 882. Okay, good. Betul. Yang kedua ni adalah ni future value. Future value of cash flow. Then year 2 we get 525 and yang ni you tak akan dapat dekat mana-mana sebab kenapa? Sebab now. Year kosong ni maksudnya now. It's now. Okay, sekarang so maksudnya nilai dia sama lah. 11,000 kali. That's why dia dapat 1. Nanti mesti yang dia tanya madam. Kat mana dia dapat nilai 1 ni? 1 ni sebab sekarang. Sekarang nilai dia sama lah. So that's why times multiple by 1. Alright. So berapa total dia? Okay, total up. So this is the future value. So total dia adalah 13,000. 13,207. 13,207. Okay. So trick dia dekat future value ni adalah dekat mana dia punya trick dia adalah dekat dia punya N. Okay, N. Pastikan you pandai nak calculate N. Alright, how to calculate N ni adalah ni lah. Yang ni tadi. 3 tolak dengan 1 tolak 2 tolak dengan 3. Okay, dapatlah 2, 1 dan kosong. Okay, so let's move to the second part, the last part, and then apa ni? Time value of money, which is loan amortization. Loan amortization. Okay, what is the loan amortization? Okay, loan amortization is process of paying down a loan by making payments which include both principal and interest. So, bila kita buat loan, of course kita akan dikenakan interest lah. So when we pay back the loan to the financial institution, okay, what we have to pay back the principal amount. Principal tu adalah nilai yang kita pinjam lah. Contohnya kita pinjam 100,000, so 100,000 tu kita kena payah balik plus dengan interest lah. Okay. So kalau 10% interest, 10,000, so we have to pay back to the financial institution 100 plus 10,000, 110,000. Okay. So let's look the example. Loan amortization schedule. This is the formula. When comes to the loan payment, okay, loan payment, of course we will use this formula. This formula is equal. This formula is actually from the present value of annuity. We not use, kita tak guna formula future value annuity. Sebab apa? Sebab as I explain you before this, because of this is the loan. Okay, bila kita nak dapatkan loan tu, when we need the loan amount, bila kita nak dapatkan amount tu, adakah kita nak dapatkan sekarang ataupun kita dah okay, saya bayar tiap-tiap bulan sekarang, okay, ni saya bayar 500 every month, so nanti saya akan dapat balik, saya nak ni pinjaman tu pada 10 tahun akan datang. Tu bukan loan, itu saving. Okay, bukan. So that's why loan, dia formula yang terlibat adalah present value of annuity. Sebab sekarang ni kita nak nilai, kita nak duit tu. When we need the amount, when we need the loan, now. So that's why we use PVA. Okay, so PVA divide by PVIFA IN. So loan payment, this is actually PMT. Okay, PMT. Payment every period. Okay, so for the table, okay, this is the head of the table. We have period, loan payment, beginning principal, interest payment, principal payment, and ending principal. A, B, C, D, E, and F. And also given to you how to calculate every column. Okay, period is number of period. For example, we have a 5 years loan repayment. Okay, so period number 1 until number 5. Loan payment, how we get this figure, loan payment, from this PMT, we calculate and then we have to transfer here. Beginning principal, beginning principal for the first year, for period number 1, beginning principal here is the PVA. Okay, so what's the amount of PVA we will transfer here? Ini adalah nilai loan. PVA tu adalah nilai loan. Okay, loan amount. Okay, 100,000. So then how we calculate interest? B times I. I is ni lah, berapa I dia? Kalau 5%, 5% lah. 5% kali dengan B, loan payment. For the principal payment, how much that principal that we already paid for the first year, for the period number 1. So how to calculate? Only the principal part, B. Okay, the loan payment minus D. D is interest payment. So kita tolakkan interest, so kita dapatlah principal payment. So how to get the F value, ending principal? Berapa baki akhir principal yang masih lagi belum terbayar lah. So C minus C, beginning principal. Okay, baki awal tolak dengan berapa kita dah bayar untuk E principal payment ni. So dapatlah nilai F. Okay, so tengok pada example. Okay, this is the explanation in details about a loan amortization. You can read your own. Okay, after this. Okay, let's move to the example. Okay, now we have Naim wants to borrow 5,000. Okay, 5,000 nilai apa? 5,000 nilai apa? Kalau still remember, Madam akan cakap ini adalah nilai loan. So ini adalah PVA. Okay, to be repaid in 3 equal payments. So ini adalah number of period N. So kat mana 3 equal payment? Nampak ni. Period number 1, period number 2 and period number 3. Okay. The interest rate will be paid is 5%. Okay. Kat mana nak letak 5% ni? 5% ni adalah untuk kita calculate berapa nilai loan payment. So masukkan dalam formula. Okay. Masukkan dalam formula berapa PVA. Kita akan bahagikan dengan PVIFA. I dia berapa? 5%. N dia berapa? N. N dia berapa? N dia berapa adalah 3, sorry. So, dapatlah nanti nilai dalam table. Tengok PVIFA, sorry. PVIFA, 2.7232. Jangan sampai terambil nilai single amount. So, PVA kita akan tengok table annuity. So, 5,000 ni adalah nilai pinjaman PVA. Still remember kat mana 5,000 ni? Dekat beginning principal tahun yang pertama. Okay. So berapa kita dapat PMT? Every year we have to we have to pay to the financial institution. Okay, how much? 1836.05. 8.08. Sorry. So inilah. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, kenapa tak yang akhir dia ni? Madam, kenapa tak sama? Why the different figure? Okay, sekejap. Nanti Madam terangkan ni kenapa dia different figure. So sekarang ni kita tengok macam mana nak calculate. So ni beginning principal, interest payment 250 ni. Mana dapat? 5%. 5% kali dengan 5K. Mana dapat 5K ni? Okay. So dapat 250. Okay, for principal payment 1586 ni kita bayar principal saja. Macam mana nak dapat? Ni kita tengok loan payment yang kita bayar ni 1836.06 tolak dengan berapa kita dah bayar interest. Tolak 250. So dapatlah 1856.06. How about the ending principal? So ending principal ni how to get 3413.94? So beginning principal here 5,000 minus dengan principal payment 1586.06. So kita akan dapatlah 3413.94. Okay. So kat mana bawa 3413.94 ni kita akan bawa dia kat mana Madam nak lalu ni. Kita akan bawa dia ni atas ni. Okay, turun sini. Dia adalah jadi beginning principal untuk tahun yang kedua lah. Okay. So kita ulang proses yang sama untuk tahun yang kedua sampailah tahun yang ketiga. Okay. So kenapa sebenarnya ni tak sama? Sebenarnya bila kita calculate sampai habis ni, kita akan dapat dia ni bukan kosong. So bila dia bukan kosong, contohnya dia ada negatif 0.05. Okay, contoh. Negatif 0.05. Maksudnya kita dah terlebih bayar 5 sen. So macam mana kita nak adjust? Kita tak nak. Kalau you punya amortization schedule, baki dia bukan kosong, you tak akan dapat full mark. So kena kosongkan. Macam nak kosongkan? Kalau dapat negatif maksudnya kita dah terlebih bayar. Bila kita dah terlebih bayar, maksudnya kita akan kurangkan pada tahun yang ketiga tu sebanyak 5 sen. Tu yang dia jadi 1836.01 ni. Tapi kalau kita ada balance positif, kita kena tambah lah. Terbalik lah. Okay. So then we calculate again and then dapatlah nilai ni. Last kali akan dapat 1748.58 sama dengan ending principal. So that's why we get 0 here. Baki dia tak adalah kosong. Okay. Faham ke? Boleh faham? Kalau faham, cuba type dekat ruang komen. Komen tu sekejap. Faham ke tak? Do you understand? Do you understand how to calculate the loan amortization? Okay. 2 orang ni je lah yang selalu jawab awal. Arba'in, Hayani. Yang lain mana pergi? Okay. Okay. Faham. Very good. Okay. Very good. Barulah keluar. Mukminin. Akmal. Okay. Asila. Siapa lagi? Okay, good. So kalau faham dan do you have any question? Nadiem kata sekejap je, tak sampai setengah jam pun live hari ni. Okay. Because of only two subtopic. Okay. Ada dua saja subtopic. Which is uneven cash flow stream and loan amortization. So, apa sahaja soalan-soalan tutorial yang kat belakang ni, yang mana yang belum jawab hari tu, tolong siapkanlah. So, bila kita akan discuss tomorrow on tomorrow classes. Okay, tak banyak kan, tinggal sikit je. Okay, semua ni yang berkaitan dengan loan amortization dengan uneven cash flow stream, semua kena jawab lah. Ni uneven cash flow stream ni M. Okay, semua ni kena jawab and we discuss tomorrow. Alright, kalau tak ada, so setakat itu saja. We stop the class and kita tangguhkan dengan bacaan tasbih kafarah dan surah Al-Nas. Belas orang, ada seorang tak ada ni. Siapa yang tak ada ni? Okay, alright. Thank you very much class. Assalamualaikum.